In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Duplicating a board is really handy when you already have a structure that works and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you've set up a great project template or a workflow that your team uses over and over again. Instead of creating a new board and manually adding all the same groups, columns, and items, you can simply copy an existing board and start from there. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main workspace where your boards are listed. Take a moment to locate the board you want to duplicate. This might be a project tracker, a content calendar, or any other board you've already set up. Click on the name of that board to open it. It's important to open the specific board you want to copy, because Monday.com will use this exact layout as the basis for your duplicate. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the screen, usually near the board's title. You should see an icon with 3 small dots, sometimes called the More Options or 3 dots menu. This is where Monday.com keeps extra settings and actions that don't fit in the main toolbar. Move your mouse over that area and click on the 3 dots to open the menu. After you click, a drop-down list of options will appear. Take a second to skim through the options so you get familiar with what's available there. Among those choices, look for the one labeled Duplicate. This is the command that tells Monday.com you want to create a copy of the current board. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. Depending on your version and settings, you might see additional choices, such as duplicating just the structure or duplicating the structure along with items. Choose the option that best fits what you need. For example, if you only want the layout and columns, choose structure only. If you want to reuse existing tasks as a starting point, choose to include items. Once you confirm, Monday.com will create the new board for you. You'll usually see it appear in the same workspace, with a very similar name. From there, you can rename the duplicated board, adjust columns, or clear out data you don't need, and you're ready to start working with your new copy.